You okay, boy?
What?
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. Super spy!
Milo, we need to have a serious discussion. Okay, you don't have to look at me, but you're stinky and you're getting a bath today.
Alright guys, I've done everything I know to do to get famous on this TikTok app, but nothing seems to be working. I've seen this work for other people, so I'm going to give it a shot. Here's my butt.
Stop touching her, dude. She's gonna smack you. She's gonna keep smacking you.
Smoothie, what's in there? Oh,
Sweetie.
look at his little head. He's
You did not expect that.
Meat.
Look at him.
His tail.
Sweetie's so scared, yeah.
Hey bestie, watch this. No. Roll. You're so dumb. You know you love me. Not true. Do you want a hug? No, I want to fight you. Hug. Jesus, what kind of hug is that? The kind made with love. Please someone open this door, let me escape the dingus. Proof that cats are government spies. The white hair is her deactivate button. Her minion trying to stop me? Guys help, I think my cat is broken.
Oh my god, what? That's a whole cat. Am I gonna be on TikTok?
You want food?
Oh my god!
What is wrong with you? Non, encore les T'es pas content, là? On est en crise, là? Oui, je suis.
So I heard if you give your animal an egg, it knows to take care of it because it's super fragile. Oh.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Hey, Uno, you want some catnip? He's like, give me that catnip. Here you go.
You're so very happy, kitty.
All right, sir, I think you've had enough. Give me that. Oh. He's like, I'm not done yet, though.
to be. Ma, get a box. Wake up. Oh. Look at the way he's just holding the camera.
Honey, shall we give high fives? Are you happy about giving the high five?
Got a new type of cat litter. This is how it went.
Oh, wow, you can't even really see it. You like it, Indiana? It seems to not go as much everywhere. Let's see how it is.
You can pretty much just do it like whenever you want to. Just